Next, we'll start setting up how to receive order notifications. This means that when a customer places or confirms an order, you'll receive a notification so you can stay informed. There are two ways to receive order notifications. Firstly, via email. Secondly, via the AppSheet mobile application called My Store Management. First, open the Google Sheet file, Order Management, and go to the sheet name to Setting New Order Notifications. Here you'll find two tables corresponding to the two notification methods. We'll start by setting up email notifications. In this settings table, you need to enter your store's email address in the Email of Store field. Next, turn on the fields for receiving notifications. The first is Notifications for New Orders, which means receiving notifications when a customer places an order. The second field is Notifications for Verified Orders, meaning receiving notifications when customers confirm their orders. We'll set this up first, and then try placing an order. I'll explain in detail later. Okay, let's start setting up email notifications. First, we'll enter the store's email address. Next, go to the sheet name for Customer Order Confirmation Settings. 3. Setting Verify Order of Customer. You need to fill in the first field, the Deployment ID App Script, 1 Order Management. We'll start by filling in Deployment ID App Script, 1 Order Management. Click on Extension, then click on App Script. Continue by clicking Deploy. Then click on Manage Deployment. A new window will open. Here you'll see the deployment ID that you deployed earlier. Click Copy to copy it. Return to the Google Sheets interface. Paste the deployment ID you just copied into the corresponding Order Management Deployment ID field. Then, close the App Script window.